struggling with stress, anxiety, or negative thoughts? Here's a tool that can truly change your life. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. It helps you shift the way you think so you can feel better and act with more confidence.
So, what is CBT? It's a form of talk therapy based on a simple idea. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions are connected. When you change negative thinking, your feelings and behavior improve too. Instead of "I always fail," you learn to think, "Sometimes I win, sometimes I learn, and that's okay." Identify negative thoughts. Notice what triggers your stress. Write down your thoughts and ask yourself, is this really true? Challenge and reframe. Look for evidence for and against your thought.
Swap extreme thinking like, "I'll never succeed," with something balanced like, "I've succeeded before and I can grow."
Take action. CBT isn't just thinking, it's doing. Take small steps, practice new behaviors, and celebrate every bit of progress. Finally, monitor and reflect. Keep a journal, spot patterns, and adjust your approach. Consistency is what makes CBT powerful. Start small, stay patient. Your mind really can change with practice. Follow Balance Beam for more mental health tips that can transform your life.